In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wispr Flow with Claude Code step by step. Wispr Flow allows you to control Claude Code using your voice instead of typing everything manually. This is great if you want faster workflows, hands-free control, or a more natural way to interact while coding and creating prompts. The good news is that setting it up is actually simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Claude Code on your computer. You can use either the browser version or the desktop app depending on your setup. Once Claude Code is fully loaded, make sure your microphone is connected and working properly. This is important because Wispr Flow relies on voice input to convert your speech into text commands. For the best experience, try using a quiet environment with minimal background noise. A clear microphone can greatly improve transcription accuracy and reduce mistakes. Now, create a new task or open a fresh conversation inside Claude Code. Using a clean thread helps keep your workflow organized and prevents old conversations from affecting your current prompts. Once the new task is open, click inside the Ask area or prompt box where you normally type your instructions. You should now see the text cursor blinking inside the input field. Now it's time to activate Wispr Flow. On Windows, press and hold the Control key together with the Windows key. While holding those keys, begin speaking clearly into your microphone. As you talk, Wispr Flow will automatically convert your speech into text commands inside the Claude Code prompt box. Try to speak naturally and clearly. If you're working with code, mention important details like the programming language, framework, or task you want Claude Code to perform. For example, you could say, create a Python function that sorts customer names alphabetically, or explain this JavaScript error and provide a fix. The clearer your instructions are, the better Claude Code can understand your request. As you continue speaking, you should notice your words appearing live inside the Ask area. This confirms that Wispr Flow is working correctly. If the transcription seems inaccurate, try speaking a little slower or moving closer to your microphone. Once you finish dictating your prompt, release the keyboard shortcut and quickly review the generated text. If everything looks correct, click Submit or press Enter. Claude Code will now process your voice-generated prompt and return a response just like a normal typed request. One of the biggest advantages of this workflow is speed. Instead of manually typing long prompts, you can quickly explain ideas, coding tasks, or debugging requests using your voice. This can save time and make the workflow feel much more natural. You can also continue using Wispr Flow for follow-up prompts and additional instructions throughout the same conversation. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, using Wispr Flow with Claude Code is very simple once your microphone and voice shortcuts are set up properly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Claude Code tutorials, AI workflow guides, and beginner-friendly productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.